Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to the Snooze It or Use It collaboration with myself and Wonder and Dreamer 555. We post the last day of every month with the previous month's stamp kit from Unity Stamp Company. So we're using October's kit because we're in November and it's the last day. Wow. I got nothing really. I have nothing at all. So I think we're going to use this as our use it because this is the only stamp set that I actually think is worth attempting to try. And I think, unfortunately, we may have to do a background stamp. This may work, but I think these, let's just see. I don't know where we're going to go with this thing. And I was looking at some of my previous stamp sets, and I think what they did to us is they spoiled us with the ladies, the ladies on the stamp sets, and then we started getting stamp sets with no ladies, and it's just not the same, not the same. So I mean, we could try this one, and it's like a cornucopia. Incredibly grateful for you. Be like autumn leaves. So we'll use be like autumn leaves and whisper to the breeze. I am no longer afraid to fall. Okay, so we're going to use this one, and I don't like these two the most. Like these two are my least inspirational, I suppose. We got this one, and then, and it's very sad because I'm sure this artist that did these are amazing. They're amazing, but I am not really impressed with this kit. It's just I don't know. I want more. Does that make sense? Like I want more. So we're gonna do these right here. This one even could probably go. We'll see. Yeah, we'll put all these in. Nicholas is down there making noise, and then so with this cornucopia, we're gonna put find the blessing in everything. Can we find the thing? All right. So let's go ahead and get started. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this sheet because I bought these from Hobby Lobby. I wasn't paying attention. So it says flat cards and envelopes. And flat cards mean exactly that. It's a flat card. So we can work with that. And then we'll use our favorite paper, craft paper. Because when you use craft paper, it just makes everything so amazing, right? Now we're going to take this guy. And I feel like all one of my cards is always the snooze it or use it always a background. I seem to like that more so than anything else. I'm not sure why. Let's see. Okay, we need a little bit more right here. Let's see. Okay. So we're going to do this a few times. This one little edge doesn't seem to want to stamp out properly. And it could just be the stamp, of course. I mean, me, the operator. Today I woke up and I was like, okay, I'm going to get the stamp set and I'm going to make the card before anyone wakes up in the house. But I couldn't find the stamp set. So this is Forest Moss. So I have to, I'm not even finished. Oh, that's pretty. I'm not even finished moving stuff around in my area, this current area. So I had to move stuff around, pick stuff up, drop stuff. It was just crazy. I even sent Wonder and Dreamer 555 a message and said, I'm going to be late with my upload. And we're going to put one right here, I think. I need orange. Did you all go Black Friday shopping? I didn't. I did not. I haven't went Black Friday shopping actually, or any shopping. I tried to go to Ranger Inc. because I wanted the Dilutions stamp set that they have. They didn't have a sale. They didn't have a Black Friday sale for what I wanted at least. So I was like, guess I don't need anything. So we're just gonna ink the edges up. I might need to apply more pressure or get some new ink. I don't know. All right. All right. So we're just gonna ink this up. Now the stamps, even though they're not my favorite, they do ink up nicely. They take the ink and the color very well. It's just that I feel like this was probably a missed opportunity for something that I could like. Like I don't I've rarely said I don't like a whole stamp set, and this is probably one of the first times. So I'm gonna put that right here. I like it. The card. All right, so I am deciding to put it on this paper right here. I think these are a good match together, and I am going to slice off one little bit, and then I'll have to re-ink it up. All right, so we're just putting this on with some Aleene's tacky glue, and we have a small little border around the edges, which is cool. And we're just going to burnish this in some. I think I like the sentiment a lot more than I probably let on. I think "Be like the autumn leaves and whisper to the breeze, I'm no longer afraid to fall" is very, I don't know, inspirational. Off, and this card is done. Very cool. Let's work on the next one. All right, so we took out the platform for this. So we're going to use some of my Pentel color pencils. We're going to go ahead and stamp our sentiment. Okay. I think I turned it upside down, so let's do it one time. Yep. This ink is real wet. Wet ink over here. All right, so we stamped our sentiment, and we got our picture colored up, and we're going to use this. Oh, I forgot about this thing, and I'm sure I wasn't paying enough attention to it on the other card to actually cover it up. Let's see. Yep, no, it's over there. That's okay. No worries. We'll do it on this one though. And I was going to use a lighter colored ink, but I think we're going to use this to give it some pops of color. Now I do want to say that those pieces for the mixed media, the stamps with the mixed media feel to it, these two right here will be great for a mixed media project. So I'll probably use those. What I want to do is, after the collaboration video, the following month, I want to try and at least use a different stamp in a project versus the one I had already done. just because I feel like we could get some more in. So now what I'm going to do is just stamp and rub and give it a little bit more of something. All right, so October 2022 Unity Stamp Company Kit of the Month Changing Direction. We created these two cards. This was our Snooze It. I must admit, I really like it the way it's set up, and this is our Use It, and I like this as well. So I want to say thank you all for watching. Please remember to click on the description box to see what Wandering Dreamer 555 has created. Until next time, happy crafting.